Hello everyone, and welcome back. Thought I better post a quick video. I'm getting a ton of questions of when I'm going back to the tent because I haven't posted any videos on Joe and Zach Survival here for quite a while. Right now I'm still down here in Louisiana working on the house, and in fact I've got one of the guys that works for me is flying down today. He's in the air right now. I'll pick him up here in about 2 hours at the airport, and he's going to help down here for about 1 week, and then he's going to fly back home. I've been posting quite a few videos on my other channel, Northern Seclusion, but I haven't been out doing any. I did go out and run some catfish lines last week, but that particular time out I didn't catch anything, so there was no reason to do any video. And then I've just been busy doing stuff here on the house and haven't really had a chance to go out. And when I have had a chance, then all of a sudden the weather will get kind of crappy and be rainy and cold. I will probably be down here for another 2 weeks, maybe a little bit longer than that. My next scheduled time to the tent right now is going to be the weekend of May 12th, which is Minnesota opening fishing. Because as it is right now, there's still about 2 feet of snow. In fact, today is Thursday, and on Saturday, where I live up in Minnesota, they're supposed to get between 8 and 12 inches of snow. It just won't quit. It's been cold, it's been snowy, and this time of year there would be slush on the lake, so you couldn't cross the lake. I don't want to walk the 2+ miles in, and you can't drive in. There's just too much snow. So like I said, I'll be down here for at least the next couple of weeks. After this next week, where I have some help on the house here, most of this will be done. And then maybe I'll have a chance to run out and throw out the crawfish traps, try to do some mud bugging, maybe do some catfishing. I do want to run the boat all the way up to the property that's up the Blind River, but that video would be over on Northern Seclusion. But the mud bugging and catfishing ones I would throw over here on Joe and Zach. So anyway, stay tuned. As soon as opening fishing starts and I can get up to the tent, I'll get a lot more videos here on Joe and Zach Survival. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys on the next video.